What are you guys doing?
Come here, Bella. Bella's like, oh, no fair. Come on. I'm too tired. Are we gonna play?
There goes Mocha again, just preparing himself.
Hold on, Sochi. He's gonna get the foot. Whoa. Maybe I don't have a chance, Bella. Come here. Come here. Oh, Bella. Come here. There you go, Sochi. You guys can play. So, Mocha, no fair. Unfair advantage. Mocha, stop. Mocha. He is a horn dog. Poor Sochi. Normally it's Bella, so
I know, I can't help you.
I can't complain. Don't bite her on the
So she's just over here like, help me.
You broke the tennis ball on this one. Ow! You're so strong. You're probably a strong fighting machine.
Mocha, leave Sochi alone. Come here.
Oh, she's trying to eat the plant.
Sochi, leave it. All she wants to do is play tug.